you still online? I'm in my room. Sign of life, my phone's at noise mode. I'll think I'll watch another episode just to leave my thoughts behind. What do you feel right now? Are you texting that girl from next door? Which means are you watching now? I can't handle this no more, no. Smiley faces, pictures of your pet. Even though you don't send me anything, you are still in my head. It's been enough an hour and you're finally typing. It should be something really exciting, and then you send me and my heart explodes. I send back but there's no response. What do you feel right now? Do you really laugh when you write LOL? What is keeping you awake right now? I can't no more count on pixels. Messages, smiley faces, pictures of your pet. Even though you don't send me emojis, Snapchat.